Welcome. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to turn on auto download for audio files in WhatsApp on your PC. This feature ensures that audio files sent to you are automatically downloaded, saving you time and effort. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your PC. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app to ensure all features are available and functioning correctly. Next, look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll notice a gear icon. This represents the settings menu. Click on it to access various customization options. Once inside the settings menu, locate and click on the storage option. This section is where you can manage how different types of media are handled within WhatsApp. Now, within the storage settings, you'll see a list of media types, such as photos, videos, and audio. To enable automatic downloads for audio files, simply check the box next to audio. This action will activate the feature, allowing WhatsApp to automatically download any audio files sent to you. And that's it. You've successfully set up auto download for audio files in WhatsApp on your PC. From now on, any audio file you receive will be automatically saved to your designated folder without requiring manual downloads. This simple adjustment can make managing your media much more convenient. So go ahead and enjoy seamless access to your audio messages without interruptions. Thank you for following along. If you found this guide helpful, share it with others who might benefit from this feature. Happy chatting!